Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I shall be talking about the crash course for Symbiosis International Institute examination called SNAP 22. So SNAP 22 course mein what all will be there I shall be talking in this video. So first let's look closely at SNAP. This is SNAP, a 60-minute exam, 60 question, very different from CAT. Here we have 25 questions on reasoning, which is at a very easy level as compared to CAT, and quant and DI is 20 questions, VARC is 15 questions. So these 60 questions, 60 minutes, it's like, you can say this is a speed thing. You have to do it very fast, very quickly, and the questions are chuttu question, and it is the most user friendly examination, right? Because ZAT and IFT and CAT थोड़ा भाई जोर लगाते हैं, पर ये इसका फॉर्म देख के भी समझ में आ गया होगा. आप जब सिम्बायोसिस का फॉर्म भरते हैं इतना मज़ा आ जाता है, एकदम से आराम से फॉर्म भरा जाता है. सो यू कैन गेट एडमिशन इनटू द सो मेनी कॉलेजेस. SIBM पुणे, SCHMRD and SIBM Bengaluru are the few renowned colleges in this, and this is more or less like a T20. फटाफट करते हैं भाई. तो सिम्बायोसिस के ये जो टॉप 4 कॉलेजेस हैं, इसके अंदर ये मोटा मोटी सीट्स हैं, और ये कुछ इनका रफली ये परसेंटाइल जो है इस पे आपको एडमिशन जो है वो मिल जाता है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द score and percentile, this is last year's score, which is around 50. You will be getting 99.9, 45 you will getting 99. So if you want to get into top 4 colleges, 40 to 45 score is a good score, right? Coming to the crash course, how we shall be going about it is 28th to 23rd, 28th to 33rd, we shall be preparing you for all the 3 slots. It's a very comprehensive course because we will cover basics as well as advanced. We will do concepts, practice, sectionals, mock. We shall be doing 20 mocks plus 3 all India mock, 23 mock, 23rd की preparation, 23 mocks के साथ. There will be 60 sectionals, which is a chuttu test, right? 20 from the each section, so that your speed can be increased. Apart from that, there will be 100 plus speed test to help you score better. So there will be 3 sessions every day. Session 1 will be of 75 minutes, quantitative aptitude. Another session will be verbal, and third session will be reasoning. All 3 sessions will be live, right? And there will be break of 10 to 15 minutes in between as well, right? So you will have a daily mock. Every day you are appearing for a mock, every day you are appearing for 3 sectional, and you have to do the practice as well, right? So apart from all this, we are doing this year a very special 100-minute फॉर द वीक स्टूडेंट. लेट अस से कि आपका भाई क्वांट बहुत वीक है, तो आपके लिए अलग से क्लास चलेगी, वर्बल वाले के लिए अलग चलेगा, और रीजनिंग तो किसी का वीक वैसे होता नहीं है. But these will be the booster classes, not in the main batch, apart from separately extra classes for the student who are weak in that particular subject. Now coming to the schedule, slot wise, 29th November to 10th of December, we shall be trying to cover for slot 1, which shall include concept sessions on your quantitative verbal concept session, LR concept session, then live practice sessions, 12 for each of quant, verbal and DI, and then there will be 40 mocks, 20 mocks and 20 sectionals shall be there. Talking about your phase 2 will be from 11th to 17th. We will have a practice session in this as well as mocks and sectional. In case you are not able to do well here, you can very well go for the second slot, and then for the third slot again we will have practice session, which will be different from this, and then there will be mocks and sectionals. So in total we shall be covering 60 plus sectionals and 23 mocks, which shall help you ace your symbiosis exam in a very good manner. Last year we have 50 plus students getting 90 plus percentile in your स्नैप एग्जामिनेशन. स्नैप एग्जाम बहुत लोगों ने तोड़ा था यार, सिर्फ उनका कैट बहुत बर्बाद हुआ था, बट फिर भी उन्होंने स्नैप को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से तोड़ा था, क्योंकि 1 महीना 1.5 महीना दबा के मेहनत की गई थी. तो वही हम इस बार भी करने वाले हैं. सो देर आर 4 courses. One is My Snap, which include live sessions, full course and unlimited out sessions. Second one is your self-paced course, where you will get all this course in the recorded format, and you will get 10 mocks and 30 sectional, plus you will get 5 opened out sessions, but this will be 5 sessions only, right? And in the My test series, you can just go for the test series. You may opt for 20 mock, 60 sectional, anybody can do this. But this is the key. This is where you should be getting the best result. Rest choice is yours. You can opt for a mini test series also. Like if you are busy with IFT and ZAT, for all those students we recommend these 3 courses. But if you are not targeting IFT and ZAT, you should bet on this test, and we should try to get you there, right? Okay, next, all those who want to appear for SNAP, I already told this is the crash course. For IFT and ZAT also there will be a separate course. You can watch the intro video of IFT ZAT. We shall be doing IFT from 29th to 30th, and ZAT will be from December 30th to this. Again, 21 days this, 21 days this. So total 42 days course. You can buy individual also. You can have the combined course also. The link for joining can be scanned from this QR code, or you can see the description also. Thank you very much, and wish you all the very best for your MBA future. And all those who have not watched the video lectures at YouTube, please do explore the channel for all the content related to Quant, DILR, Verbal, for almost all the examination from CAT, ZAT, SNAP, IFT, LR, MICA, सब क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो जाते हैं. Okay जी, bye bye.